Okay, class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Okay, so for today's lesson, we'll continue from the topic graph of function. So it's all about interpreting graph and also using graph to solve equation. Okay, so we go for the first part, which is interpreting graph. Okay, so what does it mean by interpreting graph? So from the graph that you already drawn, so we can do anything from the graph. It's either to find the value of x or to find the value of y from the given value. Okay, contohnya from this part. Okay, example, the diagram shows a graph of the function for x squared minus 2. Based on the graph, determine the value of y. Okay, determine the value of y when x equal to 2. Okay, so from this part, we can see that the question asks you the value of y when x equal to 2. Okay, the first thing is you have to draw the graph first. Okay, after you draw, okay, we look at where is x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 is located at here. Okay, as you can see, the green line there. Okay, the dashed green line. So we look at the x-axis, x equal to 2, and then we're moving the dashed line until we touch the graph. Okay, until we touch the graph, and we look at the y-axis. So the answer is y equal to 2. Okay, so means that from the graph, when x equal to 2, the answer is y equal to 2. So okay, so please be careful that once the question asks you based on the graph, so if you just substitute the value into the equation, so you can detect that the answer is actually from the calculator and not from the graph. Okay. Okay, next is find the value of x when y equal to 7. Okay, so when y equal to 7, you can see that from the graph. Okay, we make a line when y equal to 7. So the green line here. So awak letak ni kan, awak ambil dot sampailah kena kedua-dua bahagian untuk graph. Okay, maknanya sepanjang ni, awak tengok 7 kan. So you make a line here, sepanjang this part is when y equal to 7. So y equal to 7, and then we dot here. So we have the answer is x equal to negative 3 or x equal to 3. Okay, so hati-hati bila part soalan kuadratik. Okay, bila soalan kuadratik, bila dia tanya value of x tu kat sini tau. Okay, so bila ada value of x, we know that this one is x squared. So bila soalan minta determine the value of x, kita akan dapat dua value of x. Two values of x, okay? x1 dan x2. So kat sinilah jawapan dia, x equal to negative 3 and x equal to 3. Okay? So hati-hati ya. Kalau awak buat 7, ada kes pelajar pernah, dia just shaded part, dia hanya buat line tu, okay, let's say y equal to 7, dia just buat satu bahagian sahaja. So hanya satu value x saja yang dia dapat, which is x equal to 3. So that is totally wrong, So because we have to look at for the whole graph, okay, for the whole graph, and we make a line that touch for the part of left hand side and also right hand side. Okay. So we can see here, construct horizontal line, y equal to 7 until it meets both sides of the function. Then construct a vertical line downwards towards x-axis. Okay. So we go to the next example. Okay, use the graph to estimate the value of x when y equal to 9. Okay, when y equal to 9. Okay. So from the graph, when y equal to 9, so bila kat sini y equal to 9, so, kalau tengok tadi, kita construct a vertical line. Okay, a vertical line, y equal to 9. Okay, y equal to 9. So this is the vertical line, y equal to 9. Okay, so bila y sama dengan 9, so memang kena buat vertical line. And then, until we draw it until it meets for the both side of the function. okay, of the curve. Mesti kena kepada kedua bahagian curve. Okay, and then we look at for the answer, which is located at negative 1.7 and also 3.2. So the answer is approximately. Okay, actually you can just take it. So don't worry, you may have a various of answer. Jawapan awak mungkin takkan sama dengan kawan awak because setiap graf setiap graf tu mungkin berbeza. Okay. Jadi jawapan untuk value ni kita akan ada dia punya range. Kan ada range dia. Dia akan ada dia punya plus minus berapa. So don't worry, kalau katalah awak tak dapat 3.2, mungkin awak dapat 3.25, so kita terima lagi. Okay, so acceptable, still acceptable. Okay, so next we go to the next question. Okay, use the graph to estimate the value of x when y equal to negative 4. So when y equal to negative 4, so we make a vertical line at y equal to negative 4. This is negative 4, y equal to negative 4 until it meets both sides of the function. So we have here is negative 1.6 and 2.6. This is how we estimate the value from the graph. Okay, the keywords here is from the graph, not by substituting value negative 4 into the function. Okay, ada pelajar dia letak terus dia gantikan y ni dengan negative 4. Lepas tu dia kira lah. Dia kira guna calculator, so dapat value of x. So alert bila you guna calculator, kita boleh check yang jawapan awak daripada calculator and not from the graph. Sebab nanti cikgu dia akan tengok pada graph awak, betul ke tak? Bila y equal to negative 4, jawapan awak exactly like on the answer awak bagilah, tapi dekat graph tu tengok jawapan awak sepatutnya berbeza. Okay, so hati-hati. Okay, so we go to the next one. So this is a cubic graph. Okay, so use the graph to estimate the value of x when y equal to 4. Okay, so sama juga konsep here. Y equal to 4, we have to draw a vertical line, y equal to 4, that until it meets for the three sides of the graph. Okay, so bila value of x, kenapa awak perasan kat sini, dia touch kepada 3 part kat sini kan? Okay, so bila tengok kat sini lah x, value of x here is x cube. Bila x cube, soalan minta estimate the value of x, awak akan dapat 3 value of x. Itu yang membezakan dengan quadratic. Quadratic, x square, awak akan dapat 2 values of x. So when it goes to cubic graph, it's x cube, so you will get 3 values of x. Okay, so we make a vertical line here, and then every lines that touch to the graph, that touch to the function here, so and then you make a dot lah kat situ and then you go downwards. Kenapa go downwards? Sebab kita nak tengok value x. Jadi bila nak tengok value x, kita akan tengok pada x axis, so kena turun ke bawah lah. Okay, so we have 3 values which are 2.35, negative 0.4 and negative 2. Okay, so next we go to next question. Okay, use the graph to estimate the values of x when y equal to 2. So sama juga, kita we draw a vertical lines, y equal to 2 here, and then we get x equal to negative 1.5, x equal to 0.6, and x equal to 2. Okay, so the last part for the interpret graph. Okay, so actually from graph you can take anything related and information that related from the graph. Okay, so the graph of function shows the movement of a ball that was dropped from a height of 4 meters. Okay, based on the graph, determine the distance of the ball from the ground at the first minute. Okay, so this one, x-axis will refer to the minute, which is time. And then for the y-axis, we refer to the height, which is in meters. Okay, so from the ground, so maknanya daripada sini from the ground, okay, the distance of the ball from the ground. So daripada sini kepada ground. Okay, from the graph, when x equal to 1, okay, y equal to 2. Therefore, the distance of the ball from the ground is 2 meters. Okay, so kat sini dah state from at the first minute. So first minute means that t equal to 1. So that's why look at the x-axis. Okay, at the time axis here when x equal to 1, t equal to 1, and then make a dash line until touch the function and look at to the left. Okay, to the left. Kenapa to the left? Sebab kita nak tengok ketinggian dia, which is 2 meters. Okay, determine the time of the ball touches the ground. So bila ball touches the ground, what happens to the height? Height will be equal to 0 sebab dia dah sampai pada tanah kan. So y equal to 0 here. So when y equal to 0, what happened to value of t? When y equal to 0, the value of t is equal to 2. So it means that it takes 2 minutes to ball to touch the ground. Okay. When the ball touches the ground at the second minute. Okay, that is all about how to interpret graph. Okay, so you can look at more from your textbook. So we already done for MOE syllabus graph of function. So I will add some more graph of function in IGCSE. Okay, so kita ada satu lagi subtopic. So from this part, so kena tengoklah what you learn from graph of function here. Explain the meaning of function. Yes, we already learned. And then we identify function and provide justifications based on function representation in the form of ordered pairs, tables, graph, and equations. And then we also learn to construct tables of values for linear and nonlinear functions and draw the graph using the scale given. And the last part is we interpret graph of function. Okay, so kat sini boleh tengok lah how to draw graph balik semua everything. Okay, so we go next for the last subtopic graph of function in IGCSE. Thank you.